And that is why I'm saying that I have a point of order that in this proceeding, we cannot be discussing drafts
Mr. Chairman,
which
what
are
rule was
not yet
violated?
final.
Mr. Chairman, what rule was violated? Tama po yun.
Rule on the precedence of
Mr. Chair,
2-minute
break,
Mr.
Chair. Break. Anong Mr. Chair? Ang
Session,
natin, Mr. Chairman?
Session suspended.
So we are supposed to be assessing the performance of NGCP, and in relation to the very objective of lowering the price of electricity, I do not find the connection why the Honorable Fernandez is asking several documents to be submitted before this committee.
Can you
I think
Mr. Chairman, because with all these documents that we are asking from the NGCP, we will be able to assess their performance. Because
Mr.
these
Chair,
are all pertinent
the one that
documents
will
coming from
assess the
NGCP,
performance
and we
of
haven't received
NGCP,
any
Mr.
documents
Chair.
yet coming from NGCP just now. Ngayon lang tayo naka-receive ng documents sa kanila their performance. Because
Mr.
these
Chair,
are all
the
pertinent
one that
documents
will
coming from
assess the
NGCP,
performance
and we
of
haven't received
NGCP,
any
Mr.
documents
Chair.
yet coming from NGCP just now. Ngayon lang tayo naka-receive ng documents sa kanila Ano, pipigilan niyo ako na kunin to? Ang tagal-tagal ko na kinukuha to, 2019 pa. Mr. Chairman, if I may proceed. Minutes of meeting for the election of corporate officers of NGCP. NGCP corporate policies on the functions and qualifications of officers and audit committee, compensation committee, and nomination and election committee. Number 10, authorization from the Department of Justice for the employment of technical personnel, list of names of nationality and all of managerial employees of NGCP, including the respective job descriptions and years of employment.
Yung last na rate reset po ay para sa third regulatory period covering 2011 to 2015. So, natapos po ito bandang 2010. Pinatupad po nila ng 2011.
Mr. Chairman,
How can we be discussing drafts?
Mr. Chairman,
This, I would just like to ask.
Mr. Chairman,
Miss Di Balanta, are you agreeing to discuss here something that you have not finally decided on?
Mr. Chairman, that's the reason why we have this.
Honorable Dan Fernandez.
That's the reason why, Mr. Chairman, that we have this oversight power to check the abuse of some agencies of our government, especially na maapektuhan yung sinacharge sa ating taong bayan. Pera ng taong bayan ito sinacharge natin Yung ang sinasabi natin dito ng mga proyekto na hindi pa tapos, itinacharge natin sa ating mga consumers. And yun ang pinaglalaban po natin dito. Bakit po hindi na-allow?
Honorable Dan Fernandez still has the floor. Let us give him his
But
time.
I have the point of order.
We
In
take
any
note of that,
judicial
Honorable.
decision, you cannot question yet if that's not yet final.
But
These are draft. The commissioners, the chairman, will change this draft and they have that authority under the law.
Okay.
So how can we be discussing drafts of possible decisions?
Okay.
I would like to ask, Madam, because we have a point of order.
Mr. Chairman, I still
And
have
a
the
point of
floor.
order.
Mr. Chairman, I still have the floor.
The point of order
And you have to
is
decide on the point of
precedes
order,
all
Mr.
kinds
Chairman.
of statements.
Decide on the point of order.
Yeah, the point of order is precedes all. The point in
Mr. Chairman, have we violated
the point
any
of order
rules
is number one.
with the
Yes, may we know
manifestation of
what is
Congressman Rufus Rodriguez?
what rule has been violated, Honorable Rodriguez? Because
point of order.
here we have to understand that he's asking a question based on some research that he has made.
Yes, that's correct.
So let us give him that time.
No,
because you have to
a
understand
point of order interrupts anybody.
I will agree, but you'll have to cite also what rule have we violated. Because you will have to understand, Honorable Rodriguez, para klaro tayo, para maging smooth naman itong procedure ho natin, itong hearing na to. Patapusin na ho natin si Dan Fernandez because there's also an accusation here na kayo ito'y kasalanan ng ARC. So dapat, I think he's also going to go there. So I would like to hear, because in his statement, meron siyang statement kanina na meron kayong kasalanan. So I want him now to continue, and I will allow him to continue, the Honorable
With due
Rodriguez.
respect to our chair,
Okay.
our rules provide for precedence of motions. And in the proceedings of motions, the rules of Congress, it says that the point of order has precedence over all other discussions. And that is why I'm saying that I have a point of order that in this proceeding, we cannot be discussing drafts
Mr. Chairman,
which
what
are
rule was
not yet
violated?
final.
Mr. Chairman, what rule was violated? Tama
I
po
think-
yun.
Rule on the precedence
Tama po
of
yun.
Mr. Chair,
2-minute break, Mr. Chair. Break. Anong rule, Mr. Chair, ang
Session,
na-violate natin, Mr. Chairman?